Hello and welcome to Sleep Rich. If you're unable to go to sleep or feeling a bit overwhelmed by life and can't stop overthinking, this is the perfect video for you. Let's slow down those racing thoughts so that you can go to sleep with a calm and clear mind. Don't forget that you are in a safe space. Find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Let's do some deep breaths in from the nose and out from the mouth when you're ready. Take a deep breath in, hold, exhale fully. One more time. Breathe in, hold, exhale. One last time. Breathe in, hold, exhale fully. Allow your body to begin to relax as you settle into this moment. Imagine now that you're lying on your beach towel on a soft, yellow, sandy beach. The sun shines gently overhead, warming your skin with a comforting glow. You feel the smooth, warm sand supporting your body, cradling you gently with every curve. It's not too hot. It's comfortable. You have your favorite swimsuit on. You grab a cold, fruity drink and it tastes amazing. You taste the strawberries and mangoes crushed with ice, refreshing every inch of your warm body. Keep visualizing with me. A gentle breeze brushes past, carrying the fresh, salty scent of the ocean air. You hear the rhythmic sound of small waves softly onto the shore, flowing in a peaceful pattern that matches your breathing. It's beautiful to watch the waves. There's no one else on this beach, just you and some birds in the sky. There are no rocks, no pebbles, no seaweed, just pure, yellow-white, soft sand. Feel the sun's warmth soaking into your muscles, melting away any tension or tightness. Your body is heavy and relaxed, deeply at ease with the gentle rhythm of the sea. You have nowhere else to be, nothing to do. No one to call today, just you and the beach. With each breath in, breathe in calmness and warmth, and as you breathe out, let go of any worries or tightness you've been holding on to. Look up to the wide, clear blue sky above. Notice the soft, white clouds drifting lazily, slowly changing shape as they float across the vast expanse. The sky is endless and peaceful, inviting your mind to rest. Feel the warmth of the sun on your face and arms and legs, comforting and soothing. You are safe here. Listen carefully now to the sound of the waves. Imagine the water sparkling under the bright sunlight, each gentle wave a soft whisper of peace. The ocean's rhythm is steady and soothing, a natural lullaby designed to calm your mind. Feel the soft grains of sand beneath your fingertips. Wiggle your toes and feel them gently sink into the warm sand. Notice how everything feels calm and peaceful. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, imagine a sense of calm spreading from your toes, up through your legs, into your hips and stomach. Allow this calmness to now move into your chest and back, softening your muscles and slowing your heartbeat. Your shoulders drop, your arms relax, and your hands rest comfortably by your sides. The sun is not so strong anymore, just the right temperature. It feels like the sun is hugging you. No need for suntan lotion. You're not even sweating. With the gentle breeze and gentle sunshine, it feels perfect. It feels like heaven. Your neck and your head feel heavy and at ease. Your jaw loosens and your face softens. You are completely relaxed, completely calm. Let your mind float freely, like the clouds above, drifting peacefully without effort or any tension. Stay here for a few moments, feeling the gentle warmth, the soft breeze, and the calming sounds of the ocean. Know that this place is always here for you. A safe, peaceful sanctuary you can visit whenever you need to calm your mind and prepare for restful sleep. Take a final deep breath in, hold, and slowly exhale, sinking deeper into calmness and comfort. Thank you for meditating with Sleep Rich.